Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix buffering issues on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have buffering issues or your Amazon Fire TV stick is pretty slow. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Well, there's a number of solutions, and we're going to start off with the most basic one first, which is to actually disconnect your Amazon Fire TV stick from the wall socket, leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds, and then replug it back in. What that's going to do is that it's going to do a soft reset. So once you turn your TV back on, it's going to take a couple of seconds to go ahead and load. The next thing that you can do is that you want to go ahead and navigate to where it says settings and then scroll to where it says preferences. And then within preferences, you want to go to data usage monitoring. And then you want to make sure that this is off. The next thing that you can do is that you could actually go into settings and simply just turn off all the notifications on all your apps. So those are two things to help increase the buffering issue or make your Amazon Fire TV stick work faster. The other thing that I like to do is I do like to go into the settings option, or I do like to go into the search option, and I like to type in background. So if we type in background, and it's this right here where auto populates background apps and processes list. So if you click on this is basically going to show you all the apps that are currently running, okay? So go ahead and download this. This is actually for free. And with this app, it's going to show you any apps or processes that are running on the background for your Fire TV, Fire tablets, and Android phone. So once you run this app, you could actually force close any apps that are running in the background because any apps that are running in the background might be causing buffering issues on your Amazon Fire TV stick. So again, it's a free app. It's used by a lot of people, but we're just going to go ahead and install it, then open it up. So from this option here, you should see the apps that are currently running in your background. So as you can see, I have multiple apps that are running in the background. All you need to do is click on one of the apps and then click on close multiple. So once you click on an app, you could actually go ahead and click on force stop. So you do need to do this for each of the apps, in which it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. So for example, I clicked on Hulu. And then afterwards, I'm just going to click on force stop. So that right there is going to close the Hulu app, but do give it a couple seconds though, because it is a bit slow. But once you do this for every app, if you can imagine that all these apps running in the background, if you go ahead and close them, that is going to help with buffering issues that your Fire TV stick has. But that right there, guys, are basically all the solutions that I have when it comes to buffering issues on your Amazon Fire TV stick. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.